Shoba say to you, welcome to another beautiful, fun and exciting episode of Cast and Sunlight. I'm your nice good boy. What? No guys, it's not anything on my face. It's just ice. My car did ice. Look. My cars did ice. Look. Ice. Do you see the ice? Like guys, this is ice. Look. Okay, you'll see nicely on mic. Look. Ice in fun. Ice. I woke up very early, motivated to work. Like this, ne? If your car is scrappy, it won't start. This morning. But these ones do not ice. Is it because it's under the shade? Man. Let me go bath and start my day. It's very early. Let me play my bathroom music. I'm looking at myself while I was still doing parody videos. Enjoying this. You must watch them. Yeah, guys. I took a bath now. I'm gonna go to VR6. I'm gonna return the starter they gave me, and let's see if they'll be able to fix it. I'm not gonna wait up for long because I got it from them. If it doesn't work, it's fine. I'll just go and buy a new starter once and for all. In the meantime, let's go to VR6 and see what could be done to the starter. Let's run. So guys, here is the VR6 starter. I'm gonna go to VR6. Checking oil and water. Both say fine. So let's go. Someone asked me to put the phone back there so they can join me in the trip. So guys, I'm going to open the solenoid to remind it how it should work. It forgot. After opening it, I'll give you Q2. You can see the condition of the starter. It's just that. Stop.
Tabulela gape mo video ngako. Tabulela.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything that you can say can be
Ngano ke drop la yo.
used against you in the court of law.
Ngano ye drop. Akruko tabibile ni kosha. Ka poster net. Kwa comment.
Pushing some. So guys, I'm trying to open up this starter. If you want to open it up using Q-bond, you don't spray on the balls. I'll show you where to spray. Not now. Not now. They'll have to ask me. Where are you? Why busy as it?
You go over KC that delivery postponed to November next year.
2026. Like a woody.
I can say.
Kilo woody je
Tell me
gata.
how I feel next year. Next year.
Oh, was a renew a share renew last year.
This year?
This year. Was a renew.
It's only this year. So
Was I never get 3 years. Time to one is in channel. We got them.
I don't know.
like I see you lele naka mosating.
I get one man well.
Level. O ka ra o tsebe re bereka jwang.
Wa ke ke ntšha yona ke no tšhala sa the go ntšha
Load mode. Retrenchment. Cox title.
JC.
Awa. Haval.
Ke a vala ntho.
P30.
Ka mo gare di talefile
Hey, try ma. Abeskus ndri ya bule. Mona emanya sharp. Hey guys, I'm done. Hey, I'm done. They've done it here at Vincent's. I'm done. It is they did it. Obvious, there's nothing he cannot do. He can everything. I'll try tomorrow.
Hey.
That is it. We're gonna call it a day, guys.